So I got a question, you guys. The only thing that survived the cold is my carrots. I think this pineapple is still okay. I'm not sure. This is why I'm making a video, to see what you guys think. If you can tell me your advice. My turmeric died, I think. I'm not sure. Did my turmeric die, guys, or will it come back? Pineapple, chili. Is the chili dead? Or will it come back? I don't know when the spring hits. Chili gone. Look like we got a sugar cane that's still thriving. All my okra gone. That's dead. So what do you guys think, man? The stuff will come back or what? Collard greens. They all not dead. Well, I mean, it's not dead. It still looks like it's actually growing. So yeah, what do you guys think, man? This stuff gonna come back or what? Let me know in the comment section.